How y'all doing? We're back out here at the farm. We're getting ready to load up the skid loader and get ready to help take it to a family to help them tear down some buildings. So stay tuned with us. We're going to be loading up and getting ready to go to our family. We're going to help them tear down a building and load up the scrap on there. So let me get this bucket turned here. I got this trampoline in the way, so I'm going to see if I can grab this bucket. Let's see if I can get underneath it a little bit more. Oopsie. I did not say I'm no expert at this machinery stuff, so don't laugh at me too much, everybody. There we go. We'll get it loaded up on the trailer now. Like I said, we're going to be tearing down a building, and once we tear that down, we're going to take all the scrap and put it into a container and then haul off the rock and stuff. We're going to maybe try to bring some of the rock and blocks and stuff for scraps back over here to the farm. We'll fill in a few ditches in here. So hopefully you guys are having a wonderful day, man. This is Friday afternoon. It is awesome out here in Missouri, man. We're having great weather. You can't beat this right now. I am looking forward to spring. I'm looking forward to summer. You know, the mud's starting to dry up a little bit. That's all right. You know, we want the moisture because we need that moisture coming this spring for our cattle and for our fields. We need our pastures. All right, hopefully this goes well. We're going to load the bucket and the grappler and the skid loader here on the trailer. We got it tilted up just a little bit. Hopefully I don't crash and burn. So hopefully this is a good video and not a bad video. Got the four-wheel drive emergency brakes on the truck. Make sure I'm lining up everything okay here. Get everything kind of going. Nice and easy. Nice and easy. All right, we got this loaded up. Let's go and let the dump down and get her finished up. Just use this brass dial right here. Lower down, that way we're not using batteries. There we go, that's pretty quick. Tighten that back down again. We got the trailer magnets engaged and we're locked down and ready to go. So stay tuned.